Imagine yourself with a day off. Ugh, I don't know what that's like. Lying by the pool or on the beach, enjoying the beautiful day with friends and family, having a barbecue or a picnic at night. This sounds like a holiday, and it is. Memorial Day, which is just around the calendar corner. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Memorial Day denotes the beginning of summer, but most importantly, it is a day of remembering the men and women who died for our country. We want to thank all of them and their families who have given their lives to maintain the freedom in this country. So enjoy this holiday and make sure your checklist is complete so nothing will spoil that day. And on the checklist, I would include putting on that sunscreen on before you step outside. A towel for the beach or the pool. How about those beach toys for the kids? Grill, get it ready, and have the food all set up for when you get back from the pool or the beach. Have a wonderful time and happy Memorial Day. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos as we have covered such topics as scheduled maintenances or is your air conditioning cold enough in your car. Finally, every Wednesday at 12:30, check out a new video. Thank you again.